I just picked up a free lawnmower Facebook Marketplace. The only thing the description said on the ad was free lawnmower, needs fixed, don't know what. You guys want to see what was wrong with this thing? You guys want to see the best smoke show you ever saw in your life? Woo, stay tuned for that. Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in again. Hey, if you're new around here, there's my website address, stevesmallengsaloon.com. Check that out when you get a chance. So I couldn't go pick this thing up fast enough. I went and grabbed it, and I got it home. First thing I did, of course, go grab my camera, because I learned my lesson a couple videos ago on that. Grabbed my camera, pulled it out of my truck, had everything set up, and I just checked a few things on this. I checked the fuel, and the fuel looks really clean. There's no water in the bottom of it. It smells nice and fresh. And I pulled it over, and it felt like it had really good compression. It wasn't seized or anything like that. And then I checked the oil level. Look at this. There's full. There's your full mark, and there's where the level is. This thing is over full of oil about that much. So I fired my camera up. I said, let's see if this thing runs. Check this out. Watch what happens. Okay, there's no mosquitoes around here anymore. Wow, that is crazy. I haven't seen that good of a smoke show for a very long time. And then as soon as I shut it off, and as soon as I did that, there was oil dripping right out of the air filter, right down here. And not only that, but right where the muffler comes out, right where the exhaust comes out of the muffler here, look at the top of the deck. It's splattered with engine oil coming out of the muffler right there. So, yeah, what do you think? Too full of engine oil. I checked the air filter. Check this out. Here's the air filter. It's soaked in oil about 50%. When I troubleshoot something, I try to fix one thing at a time. If you think you have a problem with something and you think maybe it's 3 different reasons and you fix all 3 of them, you take it outside and it runs fine, you're always going, I wonder which one of those things actually fixed it. You don't really know. So fix one thing at a time. What I'm going to do first right here is just lower the engine oil down to the full mark. And then we'll try it again and see what happens. As a matter of fact, I'm going to stick that old air filter right back in there again. Remember, one thing at a time. Okay, I got that air filter back on there. I drained the engine oil out. Look how much oil I pulled out. Look at that. That is how much oil I had to pull out to get it down to the full mark. That's how much overfilled it was. That's a lot of oil to be overfilled in one of these things. Well, let's take it outside and try it then. I think that's good enough. That was a long time right there. I think we fixed it. That is how easy that was to fix. No parts required. Took very little amount of time to do that. That's all I did was drain the engine oil down to the full mark. Yeah, I know it should have another air filter put on it. And yeah, that's not exactly clean oil. I should do an engine oil change on this too. But this thing works absolutely perfectly. This is not a very old lawnmower. I checked the numbers on the side of the engine block. This thing's not even a year old. It was bought this year. This thing is brand new. The blade doesn't even need sharpened on it. It's so new. So that being said, guys, I got a little bit of a dilemma here. I actually feel bad. I actually feel horrible, to be honest with you, that this was so easy to fix. And it was a lady that I got it from. Not that that matters, but I would really appreciate it if you guys would put some comments down right underneath this video and tell me what you think I should do. I really feel like I want to just contact her back again and say, hey, this was a simple fix. Do you need a lawnmower? Do you want it back? I'll bring it back to you, no charge. She lives 10 minutes away from me. Should I do that? Should I just say, hey, too bad, and just sell it? I don't need another lawnmower. I could probably sell this thing for $200. What do you think I should do? Put some comments down and let me know. I'm just trying to do the right thing here, so at least give me the thumbs up button for that, if nothing else. Hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. Share this with your friends. Man, I get lucky on this stuff, don't I? You want to see another? Where's those horseshoes again? You want to see another video where I got really lucky? Check this out. $50 generator. You're going to like that one. Click on that one next. Until the next time, guys. Oh yeah, Dab beer. German beer. Delicious. Steve out.